Hello, welcome to Monday and January 6th. Most of us are getting back to work, back to school, back to our regular lives post-holiday, and it's no different for us here at Reaction Pilates. Today marks the start of our winter class schedule. We've kept all of the classes that you love. We've just added a few more evening, weekend, and our community class. Check it out. We are also starting this month our year-long workshop series, and I'm incredibly excited about this. Each month we'll be focusing on a specific core concept, both internal and external. And this month I'm actually teaching a workshop on breath, something I'm incredibly passionate about. Come and join me this Saturday from 1 to 3:30 if you have any interest in learning about the amazing mechanism that is your breath apparatus. If you have any questions, please hit up the website. And speaking of, tomorrow we'll launch our new website. Some subtle differences, some big changes, but it is a refresh, a new beginning, and we hope you like it as much as we do. Please check out the new class schedule. It's listed below this video. Thank you all for being a part of our community, and we look forward to seeing you soon.